Hello students, welcome back to the NCERT class 6. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like and share and also hit the bell icon to get the latest study material. Today we are going to explain the English book Honeysuckle. We have to read the first chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? Before you read, we have to discuss in the class. Do you like homework? Do you do it yourself or do you get help? What homework do you usually have? You have to explain it with your friends. Now, we have to start the chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Nintendo is a type of video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you wouldn't learn a thing. And it's sure, sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. What could he do? He hated homework. Ignoramus means an ignorant person who lacks education. In the next paragraph, then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To surprise, it wasn't a doll at all. What? A man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches. Breeches means short trouser. And a high tall hat much like bitch. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Dishcloth means a cloth used for washing dishes. Hamper means a basket with a lid. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? What I will do it. Grimaced, scowled, pursed his lips. His face had these expressions showing disgust, anger and disapproval. In the next paragraph, and true to his word, that little elf began to Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. Glitch means any technical default in a machinery. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he had said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better. Look up the word and sound it out via each letter. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. Shriek means gave a short, high-pitched cry. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little elf was a nag. Nag means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. Patrick was working harder than ever. And was it a drag? Drag means something dull and uninteresting. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back doors. Slyly means secretly. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores. Chores means daily work. Was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Attitude means a feeling about someone or something. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. What I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. So this story is written by Carol Murray. Its question answer and book exercise we will do in the next video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.